join the song. Wednesday is the midweek day, halfway there, hip hip hooray. Thursday follows, moving fast, soon the weekend's here at last. Oh, Kittu Bunny hops to say, let's learn days in a fun way. Clap your hands and sing along, days of the week, come join the song. Friday dance is full of fun, school is done and joy has begun. Saturday is play all day, picnics, parks, and time to stay. Sunday